So, students, I hope you are learning well. Today, I am going to tell you about the genders. We have read about it in our previous classes, and you know pretty well there are four genders in English language. The first one is masculine, second one is feminine, third one is common, and the last one it is neuter gender. You see these genders, everybody knows about them. Okay, so these are the four genders in our English language: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Now there are some sentences. You see these sentences. The first one is: my father met my teacher and saw my certificates. And if I say to you what are the words they are coming in, the what are the nouns, find them and then you categorize them whether they are masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. So you can see that father is masculine and no feminine comes. Then teacher may be any, so teacher comes in common, and in this certificates they come in neuter gender. So from here it is clear that if it is a male, if it is a male if it is a male, then we put in the masculine gender. Male means like boy, father, okay, and any male that comes in the category of masculine. And feminine comes, feminine means female. Feminine means what? Feminine, it is what? Female. Females are categorized under feminine gender. So females are categorized under feminine gender, like your mother, sister, okay, and women, they are in feminine gender. Then comes, what are the common? What comes in this common gender? Common gender is used for both males and females. Like teacher may be male or teacher may be female. So teacher is a common gender. Like doctor may be male or doctor may be female. So it comes under the common gender. Now last is remaining, and that is what? Our neuter gender. So who comes in this neuter gender? In this neuter gender, we put non-living things. All the non-living things, they come under this neuter gender. Also the thing that you keep in mind is this, that we in our English language we keep animals, birds, and even trees, plants and trees, though they are living beings, from the science, but in English language we categorize them under neuter gender. So this is to keep in mind. All non-living things, bird, animals, and plants, they also come in our neuter gender. Is that clear to you? So masculine means male, feminine female, common means both male and female, and neuter means non-living things, animals and birds, and plants and trees. So I hope it is clear to you. So in this way you need to understand this is what the genders in noun. So these are the four genders: masculine, male, feminine, females, common, that can be used for both males and females, and neuter for non-living things. So I hope it is clear to you. So in this way you can easily solve the exercises, and you can easily identify which one is a male. Then you can turn it into masculine gender. If there is some female, then you can put in the feminine gender, and if it can be used for both male and female, then you can put in the common gender. And if it is a non-living thing, then you can put it in neuter gender. Now coming to the point is this, that sometimes it is asked to you that change into masculine to feminine, okay, and or feminine to masculine. So this you can do. There are many examples given in your book, and you might have learned also that there, if man is there, man is masculine, then what is the pertaining female? Woman. Okay, like if dog is there, what is the feminine of dog? Bitch. And if the tiger is there, tigress. Lion, lioness. A number of words are given in a book. They you will learn, and you might have learned it earlier also. In this way, you can solve the exercises given in your book, and if there is any doubt, you will ask.